Everybody, thanks for joining me and Summit. We're out on an overnight camping trip. So we're about 20 miles back up Forest Service roads from Highway 101 outside of Yachats and Cape Perpetua. And I'm in my yurt. And it's raining. Let's go inside. Come on, Summit. Come on in. There you go. Good girl. Make myself a cup of tea. This is Celestial Seasonings Raspberry Zinger. I love my fruity teas. As usual, Summit is much more comfortable on my bed than she is on her own. Getting some good rain now. I love this White Duck tent. 4-season canvas tent. I mean, it has always stayed dry inside. I love it. I love having so much room. I feel like I'm glamping. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to make another one of my dehydrated meals that my friends over at Wild Oak Trail gave me. So wildoaktrail.com is a preparedness supply site. So you head over there for your dehydrated meals and all kinds of off-grid options. Please check them out. Website's in the description below. Use my affiliate link and I get a little percentage. Anyway, so this is sweet habanero chili with pineapple squares. Interesting. So the directions: you boil up 2 cups of water. You slowly whisk in the entire package of the chili mix. You lower the heat and simmer it for 20 or 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. You can add a half a pound of beef if desired. I don't have any beef, so I'm just going to do the chili. All right, let's get it started. It is starting to thicken up. It's been on for about 15 minutes now, another 10 minutes or so to go. I know that's hard to see, but I can tell that it's thickening up. I'm gonna call this thing done. That doesn't look too bad. Got a good viscosity. Transfer it to a bowl. Yeah, it got nice and thick. Well, I'm going to have a little bit of a mess to clean up on the bottom of the pot tomorrow. That's all right. Give this thing a soak overnight. It should come off all right. All right. Nice spicy chili. All right, taste test here. I'm not going to get another spoon dirty. Boy, that's a really good chili. It's got some spice to it. The habanero, right? It's got a good viscosity, thickened up real nice, so the 2 cups of water was perfect. Oh yeah, I can recommend. I'm glad nobody's sleeping in the tent with me tonight, though. Nobody except Summit, anyway. And she's stinky enough, she won't care. All right, so I'm going to eat my dinner. I'm going to do a little reading, and I'll check in with you a little bit later before I go to bed. All right, so I put on my merino wool underwear, and I'm ready to crawl into my sleeping bag. And Summit has already beat me to it. It's going to be crowded on the cot tonight. Well, good morning, everybody. The sun's finally coming up. Had a good night's sleep. It was a little crowded on the cot with my baby dog. She's been out running around. Now it's time for a nap. Got her all snuggled up. She's a good girl. Look at my girl all snuggled up in her bed. Aww, what a sweet girl. All right, first things, let's get some coffee going. All right, I'm going to try something a little fun here. I've got my Lodge combo cooker out, and I'm going to try doing some cinnamon rolls. This should be a fun little experiment. Trick is getting the temperature just right. You want to keep it pretty low. Flipping and rotating. That's the trick. All right, keep them flipping and rotating. Seems like towards the back is a little bit more of a hot spot. We're starting to get there. All right, we're starting to get pretty close on these guys. Just a few more rotations should do the trick. I think we're ready here. Pull these things off and get some icing onto them. Looking good. This combo cooker does a pretty good job of baking. Yes, I do. I have enough room on that plate for everybody. Time for the taste test here. That's great. How fun is that? Cinnamon rolls while you're camping. I love my little Lodge combo cooker. That thing is so cool. I've made biscuits in it. This is the first time with cinnamon rolls. But I think I'm going to like having that thing a lot. So a high sugar content breakfast for me. Sugar and caffeine. That's what I need to get myself going today. All right, so I've had my breakfast. I've had my coffee. It's time to start breaking things down. It is Sunday. It's time to get back, do some laundry, get ready for the work week. Here's my baby dog. All comfy and cozy inside her little cocoon there. Yeah. So I'm going to break this down without disturbing her too much. Oh, kisses? Kisses? Oh, aren't you sweet? Aren't you the sweet one? All right. Okay. So thanks for joining us, and we will see you on the next one. All right. Take a hike. Be blessed. Say bye-bye.